Kota's approach to its urban development has been revolutionary. In a span of less than 3 years, the entire city has been transformed under one unifying vision to make Kota not just a smart city, but a sustainable city as well.
So the very first thing which we did was, there was Industry Colony Instrumentation Limited, which had just 1 acre or 2 acre of space where it had some green area, and 75 to 80 acres was bitumen roads and pakka houses. So the government had acquired that area. So we thought, let's create a lung out of it. It was first named like an oxy-zone, which became the city park.
The challenge at hand was not just to cultivate barren land, but to do it in a manner that the entire 75 acres of concrete blooms. The city park is not just a green zone, but also a sanctuary where people can de-stress and connect with nature. Traffic and pollution have been a constant source of concern for cities across the globe. Kota's beautiful flyovers and roadways not only help streamline traffic, but have been effective in reducing pollution as well.
So that was one big achievement. And you know, the AQI index was 200 and now it is 45-50. And this has been reported because आपको कहीं गियर नहीं बदलना पड़ता गाड़ी का, आपको कहीं ब्रेक नहीं लगाना पड़ता. अभी चलते हुए पता ही नहीं लगता है. पहले यही चीज आप 3 साल पहले देखते तो it was utter chaos.
This innovative city planning has made Kota the country's first traffic signal-free city. The Kota barrage, though a source of hydro and thermal power for the city, was also the cause of yearly floods. The area was also used as a dumping ground for the entire city's sewage. The first step was to clean up the river and devise an effective flood control solution. This was the genesis of the Chambal Riverfront project.
I was very passionate about it, that whatever I will do would not be just a structure. It would be a statement of architecture and a place where art is predominant. इसका जो चंबल रिवरफ्रंट का जो लोगो बनाया, उसके नीचे एक लाइन लिखी है, कला प्रकृतिश्च सुखम. That means that कला और प्रकृति में ही सुख है.
Today, the banks of the Chambal boast of Kota's grand heritage site that will not only create more employment opportunities within the city, but also boost domestic and international tourism. This is Kota, a leading model for urban development in India.